Hi everyone, I'm Viola and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something important and personal: how to use a breast pump effectively and comfortably. It's a key part of many feeding journeys and I want to make it as easy as possible for you. Here's the breast pump I'll be using today. It's a manual pump, simple and quiet. See the main body, a soft silicone flange, and a bottle that collects the breast pump installation. Milk. Gently center the flange around your nipple, not too tight. Once it's in place, start with slow, gentle pumps. You don't need to rush. Let your body respond naturally. After a minute or two, milk should begin to flow steadily. If it feels uncomfortable, adjust your grip or pace. That's it. A simple and calm process that helps you provide nourishment for your baby. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And remember, the link in my bio is where you'll find more exclusive content and ways to connect with me. Thank you.